Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to contact AliExpress seller for dropshipping. First, open AliExpress application on your device, and here you want to find the product that you're interested in. For example, let it be this one. And at the bottom side of the screen you see here message icon that looks like this, and if you tap it, it will redirect you to chat private messages with this store, and here you can start your conversation. So here write something like, hello, I'm interested in dropshipping this item, and can you share your dropshipping prices, shipping options, and processing times? Send your message and wait for reply. And when they reply to your message, you will get a notification, so no need to check your chat. So that's how you can contact AliExpress seller for dropshipping. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.